Ever heard of YouTube? Well, you're watching this video, so of course you have. But wait, I bet you didn't know that you can actually score some cash on here, and all you need to do is listen to music. You can get paid for every single minute that you listen to music on here, and I'm pretty sure that in one day, that's a lot of minutes. Get this, listening to one song can help you earn this much cash, and that was only one song. Just imagine how much you could earn listening to 100 songs. The best part is that you don't need that much to get started. All it takes is a phone or any device that connects to the internet and your time. This is completely free to do and you don't need to invest any money into it. You can do this from anywhere around the globe. Happen to be backpacking Asia and need to make cash on the go? Well, this method will work for you. Make sure that you stay with me though, because I have some tips that are going to help you max out your cash out. Before we get into the video, hi, welcome to Money Express, a channel where I share tips and tricks on how you can make money. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know. Smash the like button down below if you want to see more videos like this one. Alrighty, let's get into it. So you're going to want to pay attention because I'm going to show you more than one app today, and some of them pay higher than others. Plus I have bonus tips that are going to help you out a lot. Now, as I said, downloading these apps are free and they're pretty much available on any device that you're using. Plus you can access them from anywhere in the world. If there are any parts of the video that you don't quite understand, you can always go back and rewatch them because of course you don't want to mess up and miss out on your chance of earning money. Alrighty, so I'm going to show you how to do this from a computer. You can also do this on your phone. Anyways, the very first thing that you're going to do is open a browser and go to this website right here. And as you can see, it shows you that you can make money while you're sleeping, while you're working, while you're jogging. So you can pretty much make music any time of the day whenever you want. Now this app is available on both the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store. So you can find this pretty much on any device that you happen to be on, as I mentioned earlier. Plus, it's free to use, and if you happen to be looking for this app to download it, this is what the logo is going to look like. And if you want to be sure that this app is legit, you can actually go ahead and take a look at the reviews. They actually have really high ratings, and they have more than 4 stars, which is a great sign. Now, this app has a lot of different radio stations that you can listen to be able to earn money, but there is a way to be able to link it up to YouTube, so I'm going to show you how to do that in the next part of the video. Again, as I said earlier, this is completely free to sign up for and use and create an account for, so no need to worry about needing to shell any cash because you're not going to need to do that. Anywho, basically how it works is you listen to music on YouTube Music or any of their radio stations. They give you points for listening to that music, and then those points can be converted over to cash. There are artists and playlists that you're going to want to listen to that are going to help you earn more money, and you could earn even 4 or 5 times more than everyone else. So you're going to want to listen up. Obviously, the very first thing that you're going to want to do is go ahead and download the app and then sign up for a free account. But of course, as always, wait until the end of the video to do this so that you can make sure that you know each and every step before you get started. Alright, so once you have your account up and ready to go, obviously you're going to want to start listening to music, and you're going to be going to YouTube Music to be able to do this. And you're going to want to start listening to playlists. This is going to help you max out all of your earnings because the music's just going to keep playing and you can have it play in the background. And there is a way to be able to set this up to where you won't have to hit any buttons, and in a way it's kind of on autopilot. So basically what you're going to do is come over here, and this button basically is just going to, if you hit it, it's going to help you repeat all the music over again. So once you get to the end of this playlist, it's just going to go ahead and repeat all of the songs over without you having to press any buttons at all. If you activate that setting, it's going to help you earn more money because you can just have everything playing in the background without having to do anything. So obviously that's a plus.
But before I do that, don't forget to hit the like button down below, share this video, and turn on notifications for more videos on how you can earn extra cash.
Are you guys ready for another bonus tip? Well, if you are, then you're going to want to keep listening. Okay, so this bonus tip is pretty much just helping you find the best music to listen to help you earn more money. So if you go right here, you're gonna see something called the hot list. And this list is basically just high quality music and high quality music videos, pretty much what everyone is watching and listening to. So what you're gonna wanna do is open up the hot list and just go ahead and start listening to all of that music. The hot list is gonna help you earn some more cash, so you're gonna wanna go ahead and take advantage of that tool. Alrighty, so this video is gonna be jam-packed full of bonus tips that are gonna help you out a ton. So the very next bonus tip that I'm giving you is to open up more than one tab. Now you can open up multiple YouTube music tabs to be able to play a lot of music all at once, thus being able to help you earn more money. So let's say you open up 3 tabs, you're gonna be able to listen to 3 times more music, which is gonna help you earn 3 times more cash. So that is another bonus tip, and I hope that it helps you out. Now, another tip that is also going to help you out is to listen to music that is more than an hour long or anything that's long, because it's just going to help you have a lot of music to play in the background without needing to touch any buttons. Rightio. So the next tip is going to be to change the playback speed, and this is just going to help you zoom through each and every song, which is going to help you earn more money. So to be able to do that, you're just going to come down here and then you're going to look for where it says settings or playback speed, and then once you get to that, you're just going to hit the 2 times button. So that's just going to speed up every single video that you have. Now, obviously, you are going to want to do this on all of the tabs so that you can zoom through all of the videos that you have open, and that's just going to help you earn even more cash. Now, this next tip is important if you happen to be sharing your internet with other people, or you happen to be on a shared network, or if you just have really slow internet, or even if you're going to be using data, this is going to help you save your data. So what you're going to want to do is come over here to the settings of each song and go to 144p. Now that is the lowest quality setting for each video. It's gonna help the videos load faster, and if you happen to be using data, it's not gonna eat up as much data if you have your settings on auto like they were earlier. So what you're gonna wanna do is do that for each tab, just so that you're saving data and so that your videos are gonna load faster and you won't have to worry about the music stopping or anything. Now, as I said earlier, I'm gonna be showing you more than one app, and this one app is actually gonna help you earn more money. So this is, I guess, a bonus app in a way. So basically how this works is it's a Google Chrome plugin, which allows you to change the speed of your YouTube videos. So as I said earlier, your playback speed is set to 2 times, and that's as far as it can go, but this YouTube plugin can help you play videos even faster than that. Now, this as well is completely free to download, and it's gonna help you play videos at 3 times or even 4 times the speed, which obviously is gonna help you zoom through the videos even faster, which is gonna help you make more money. Anyways, you can go ahead and download the plugin because it's going to make a huge difference, and you're going to see that it'll help you triple or even quadruple your income. Anywho, that is pretty much all I have for you today, so I hope you learned a ton from this video. If you have an iPhone or an Android, you can go ahead and go to the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store and download the app now so that you can get started earning money in the background without having to do anything. As I said, this is like passive income. You can just play the music while you're doing other things, and while you do that, you can be earning money. Anywho, thank you guys for watching. I'm out.
Now before I go, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more simple ways to earn extra income. That's all for today. See you in my next video.